Hello, this is Monica from Tycorun in China. Do you think Tycorun just produce electric motorcycle? No. Tycorun not only produce electric motorcycle but also produce gasoline motorcycle. See, there are many gasoline motorcycle here. One of my customers ordered 105 pieces quantity of gasoline motorcycle. You can see there are silver color, black color, and red color. Total is 105 pieces in one container. Let's see the details. This motorcycle, the tails is anti-skid tails. The tail is 70-inch, thick tails, and the wheel is a golden color wheel. And this is the bracket for protect the fuel tank. This motorcycle uses a 150cc engine with balance shaft, provides very excellent balance and safety. The engine is 150cc. And the motorcycle uses the EFI fuel system and the Euro 5 standard, friendly to the environment. And the brake system is front and the rear use disc brake with CBS system. So when you use the foot brake, the front wheel and the left wheel will stop at the same time. Provides very good safety. Here, this is the fuel tank. And this is the screen. You can see here is the switch. This is the gear, have 5 gears. And here is the fuel capacity. Here is the how many kilometers you have driven. Here is the time. You can adjust the time by click here, and here. You can adjust the time. And click here, you can adjust the kilometer to miles. Let's see. Now have changed to miles and kilometer. You can adjust the time. Click here. Now it's flashing. You can adjust it. Okay, you can adjust the time according to your local time. Here is the low beam light, high beam light, and the turning light. This is left turning, right turning light. And this is the home. This is the home. This is passing light. And this is the safety light. Safety light. This is the turn on the motorcycle. And this is turn off. Turn on. This is the side stand. When you turn on the motorcycle, you need to let the side stand open. And this is you can change the gear by this one, this part. Here is the kick start. When the battery is no use, you can use the kick start to start the motorcycle. And this is a foot brake. Because this motorcycle have CBS system, when you use the foot brake, the front wheel and the rear wheel both will stop. And this here is the flag to protect the fuel tank. When the set stand not open, you cannot turn on the motorcycle. You see?
打上
So you need to open the set stand, then you can turn on the motorcycle. Okay? And the key can lock the handlebar. Select so you can lock the handlebar. Now it's locked. If you have interest in electric motorcycle or gasoline motorcycle, welcome to contact Tycorun. We are your reliable battery and motorcycle supplier. Bye bye.